Today, we will be covering how to change your alarm settings on your V6 monitor. Roll the knob and highlight Menu on the screen. Press the knob. Roll the knob and highlight Alarm Setup. Press the knob. Roll the knob to highlight the desired setting to change. For demonstration purposes, we will highlight SPO2. Press the knob. Roll the knob to change the setting. Press the knob. Repeat these steps as needed to change any other alarm settings. When finished, roll the knob to return. Press the knob. Roll to return. Press the knob. Your alarm settings are now changed.